Racing just is started. We have Thunder Ribbon, Hockey Hawk moving up Northern Arrow. Christina comes next. Bebot, Showmaster, Supreme Leader, Promise. How did you know? Teen Tyrant, while My Sweet Leonora is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And at the far turn, we have Hockey Hawk takes command. Down on the inside is Thunder Ribbon. Northern Arrow is racing in third. Christina, how did you know? Now moving up to take fifth. Showmaster, Supreme Leader is down on the inside. Then next online is Bebot, Teen Tyrant. Then comes Promise, while My Sweet Leonora is still racing in last as they swing for home. We have Hockey Hawk by our length. Down on the inside is Thunder Ribbon, Northern Arrow, Showmaster, Supreme Leader. Last 75 meters, we have Hockey Hawk now by about 3 lengths. And finally, Hockey Hawk, Showmaster. Then comes close Thunder Ribbon and Supreme Leader.
For third choice, Hockey Hawk.
Yes.